guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna unbox the Moonlight lamp. Let's open this baby up.
If you can open up.
Yeah. I think I got that.
I think we should cut this.
No, I got it.
Okay, it's taking too long. I'm gonna cut it.
Okay, we smoothly open that.
It's like a moon. It looks cool. That's sick though. Next time I'll get that one. What does it feel like? Ooh. That's sick.
Moon looks like. Ooh. Build it.
Okay, we get it to where we build.
Boom. Boom. Chakalaka. Chakalaka.